If you are posting on TikTok without understanding these algorithm hacks, you are literally throwing away viral potential. You will be crushed by creators who know these forbidden tricks that I'm about to show you. In this video, I'm revealing 3 exclusive algorithm hacks that TikTok does not want you to know about. Quick disclaimer. This is not for beginners. So if you're still just figuring TikTok out, this video is probably not for you. Hack number 1, the comment loop hack. Here's what most creators don't understand about TikTok's comment system. When you reply to comments with videos, you're not just replying to one person. You're triggering what I call a comment loop. Every single time that you post a comment reply video, TikTok doesn't just show it to that one commenter. It shows it to just about everybody that engaged with your original video, people with similar engagement patterns, and most importantly, it creates what I call an engagement echo. Here's a real example from one of my accounts.
Y'all, I messed up big time. I just got this cologne for my husband because it had so many good reviews on TikTok.
While the video I'm showing you on screen normally would be considered kind of boring, what most people don't initially realize is that it was a reply to comment video of a previously viral video made by a creator. And the reason that they did this was because they're selling something in their content. So they wanted to reply to a comment on that already viral video and make a second video where all they did was sell the heck out of the product because of the comment loop rule. They know that everybody that saw that first viral video was already gonna be interested in the product. So just how companies will send you an email along the lines of, hey, we saw you were interested in this product, but you didn't seem to check out or purchase. Down to reconsider or wanna come back to your cart for a little bit of a discount? This video essentially did the same thing. Now it was just more salesy. It focused more on selling the product because since the creator replied to a comment, he already knew it was gonna retarget all the people that saw the first viral video. This is a strategy done by some of the top creators where you'll make a viral video that has a bit more of a broad appeal, just so it has a higher likelihood of going viral. And then once it does, you'll reply to a comment on that video, further pushing sales on whatever product you were selling. But here's the real secret a lot of creators miss. It's not just about replying to any comment, you have to pick the right one. I specifically look for comments that ask controversial questions or challenge your main point of the video. See this comment right here? This is exactly what you are looking for. And the best part is, once you master this hack, you can create viral videos simply by responding to comments. Now, if you've followed everything so far, you're probably thinking, well, how do I get those initial comments to reply to? This is where my engagement multiplier hack comes in. Let me tell you, this is the one that could get me in a little trouble for sharing. First, you need to understand that TikTok measures engagement in clusters. When you get multiple comments in a short time window, it triggers something that I call an engagement boost. You can actually orchestrate these clusters using a strategy I like to call engagement seeding. Let me show you the exact process. First thing is to get roughly 5 friends to leave strategically crafted comments. Then reply to each comment with a question. And then have them respond again within 5 minutes. And it tricks the algorithm into thinking that your content is generating massive organic engagement. Something to keep in mind though, this doesn't work to really help get a video off the ground. If your videos aren't breaking 200 views, this probably isn't a strategy you should be using. But if your video is starting to gain a little traction in the algorithm, this is something to experiment with for sure. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, but when it does, it can be very helpful. Now that we have the algorithm's attention, it is time for the most powerful hack of them all. The one that is gonna turn these engagement spikes into consistent viral hits. Because here's what most creators don't understand. While getting one video to pop off is pretty cool, that's not enough. If you want longevity in this game, you need to know how to make videos go viral again and again and again. That is where hack number 3 comes in. This last hack is the most powerful of all, and it's something I've actually never talked about publicly before. When you find a piece of content that performs well, most creators will just celebrate and move on to the next idea. This is a massive mistake. Instead, you need to use what I call the 5X recycling method. Take your winning content, create 5 different variations with new hooks, post them over a 3 to 5 day span, identify the best performer, and then create 5 more variations of that. Let me show you a real example from earlier this month.
These are the 2 best-selling colognes in the TikTok shop, and I'm gonna tell you guys which one smells the best out of both.
The video you see on screen right now did okay. It went semi-viral, got a couple 100,000 views, but nothing too crazy. And now I'll play the recreation of that semi-viral video.
I bought the 2 most popular colognes on TikTok, and I'm gonna tell you which one smells the best.
Notice how they look pretty similar. The second video, the one you're seeing on the screen now, got over 5 times the amount of views as the first one, because the creator followed the 5X recycling method. Now, when you combine all of these 3 hacks, something amazing happens. Now, these 3 hacks are really just the beginning. So if you want a part 2, leave a comment below and hit that subscribe button, because what I just shared is nothing compared to what is coming.